this bridge. That is a bridge pero kuan atong kuan ka no na kay relatives ni natin kuan sa RTA. So ang ato niya because natin suspension you are public utilities na na ay 69 million na line na po na kailangan i-transfer. So it is under suspension. Pero in original, the contractor will be expired on without the suspension, but they are under suspension right now. So rest assured that the RTA, Engineer Kapulan, that kanang hapsay na ito ang pagdagat sa traffic. So as for now, we're just waiting for the schedule of Spalco to transfer that to line na gagawin na kung ano ng contractors and belongs. So as of today, they are very they are on track sa ilang just for that reason lang. Kaya naman ang among strata in result, so you need to have redesign for that spot.
Okay.